There we go. Let's go.
How am I supposed to do that now?